Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to fix your admin has not enabled Passkeys for sign-in message for Google Workspace accounts. If you have an admin account, you can follow these steps or you can share this video with the admin to fix this. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you are getting an error or message like this when you want to set up passkey for your Google Workspace account, then this is common. We can create a passkey, but we won't be able to use that because this will be usually disabled by default. We will see how to enable this on the desktop version. It will be easy to share the steps there. As you can see, we are getting this message here. So we just have to go to admin.google.com. Here we have to select our Google Workspace ID. We have to use the Google Workspace admin account here. Then we will get a dashboard like this. Here we have to go to directory, users. Then here we can select the user we want. Now at the top, we just have to search for passwordless. Select this one. And here we have to allow this. Allow users to skip their password and authenticate with the passkey. We just have to allow this. Save. That's all. Now if we go to this page and if we refresh this, log in again, we won't get that message here anymore. That's all we have to do. Now we can create a passkey here. We just have to select this. We can use fingerprint verification if we have that. That's all. Passkey created. We can also try this out. So that's all we have to do. These are the steps to fix your admin has not enabled passkeys for sign-in message for Google Workspace accounts. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.